In the previous vlog.
Green package.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
So good.
I'm watching something.
You watching something?
Yeah, I'm watching stuff. Yeah.
Morning, cuties. What's going on, y'all? Today is what is this? Monday, say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Today is day 5. So I go back to work tomorrow. If you didn't know, I had COVID since Wednesday night when I tested. Who knows, how long I had it, but I tested Wednesday night positive. But I've just been in the house. I have not stepped foot out of this house. I have not cleaned this house. I was down for the count, child. I'm still very much congested. Have very little taste, and I cannot smell a thing, not one thing. This strain of COVID had me out, achy, like all the flu symptoms you could think of, on a million. Chris and I both have it. Chris and I both were sick. Thank goodness the kids did not get sick. I don't know how. We wore masks in here the first couple of days. But masks or not, the kids don't stay off of us. We try to keep them off of us. They're toddlers. They don't know any better. They just don't do it. I go back to work tomorrow. So today I got to get my life together. I got to get things back in order, get this house back in order. This house is not a complete mess, but if one more day would have gone by with me not doing a thing, we would just have to throw the whole thing away. Just toss the whole house in the trash. There's literally shit everywhere. I tried to pick up things as we go, but every single time we would get up, we would be winded, like exhausted. This strain had us so tired, like naps during the day. Chris would just lay on the floor and be knocked out for like 4 hours. I would sit on the couch and be like nodding off. Like we were just so tired. I don't know how we got through these last 5 days, but he's going back to work tonight. I'm going back tomorrow. I got laundry to do. I got to disinfect this entire house. I was up until about 5 a.m. This morning because I could not breathe. I had Vicks in my nose. I took a hot shower to try to clear out my sinuses. And even now, I'm still sounding really congested and blowing my nose and stuff. I have a fit of sneezes happening this morning, but I'm gonna get up and get things going because the kids are still asleep. They were up until like 2 o'clock. I was up until 5. Chris was probably up all night because he actually just laid back down about 30 minutes ago. And it is, what time is it? It's about 12 o'clock. So our schedule's all effed up, but we got to get back in the swing of things. I'm going to get myself together. And put some laundry on. Start putting things away. Yeah. It's so funny because just last week, somebody at my job at another store had COVID. And I was like, who gets COVID anymore? Like, come on, grow up. It's so 2020. But, yeesh. We went to the Christmas party and that must have done it because I heard that multiple people have been calling out from different stores. And us and our HR has been inundated with emails and phone calls about COVID rules. So I'm thinking that's where this stemmed from. I also want to get myself together. I haven't been feeling myself. I haven't been feeling like myself, and I want to do like, my skin has been super dry, and I need to do a I want to do a yoni steam. I want to take a bath if I can tonight. I want to put a face mask on, some under eye mask, give myself, just a little bit of spa treatment before I go back to work tomorrow. So I'm not feeling like complete-ish tomorrow, but so I want to do that too. I really haven't been feeling myself lately. Now I know that about 80% of y'all are female that watch me, and a good portion of my female Qtie viewers are between the ages of 35 and 44. So for those 40 and up, can you please let me know when your cycle changed? Because let me get right to it. So I was not supposed to be on my cycle until December 5th. I all of a sudden was at work and my cycle came on a whole week before. I was like, that's odd. And it didn't seem like the regular cycle. It was a darker color. If this is too much information for some of y'all, just skip on ahead about 2 minutes. But for those who can take it, stick around, because I got questions. So it was a different color, right? But I was like, okay, whatever. It was a darker color. So I was like, okay, whatever. I got it early. It stayed for the correct amount of 5 days. And then by December 2nd, it was gone. And I was like, okay, cool. December 2nd was a Christmas party. It was gone. December 3rd, not there. And then all of a sudden, December 4th is back with a vengeance, heavier than ever. And the right color. So I'm like, okay, is my cycle starting to change? Or do I need to go see a doctor? Or what is happening? What is happening inside me right now? So at what age did your cycle start to change? And how drastic did it change? Is this something that I should be going to see a doctor about? I think I might call the doctor anyway, because I don't know if I told you guys before, but when we moved here to Connecticut, Chris and I have not seen a doctor in a couple of years, which is really bad. But when we moved here, it happened to be that way because we were so concerned with getting the house ready for the kids and getting the kids' appointments set up. As long as their doctor's appointments were set up, we were just moving on with life. So I haven't been to a gynecologist in a long time. So I actually went a couple weeks, I would say 3 weeks back now. And, did the regular pap smear and all that. And everything was fine, came back normal. But now, 2 weeks later, my cycle comes on. I told Chris, he was like, what did the doctor do? Did he break you? So when this happened and then I got it again, I for sure felt broken. So I'm like, what? Did he tweak something in there? So let me know what y'all think. Let me know when your cycle started acting irregular, for my more seasoned ladies. And I'm about to get myself together and get this house together. All right, let me show y'all this mess that I'm dealing with. All right, we're in the sunroom, right? Let me show you.
I need to dust in here, clean up everything off of these built-ins, sweep, vacuum, and mop these floors. Definitely got to clean up all the dishes and everything from in the kitchen. Living room is not terrible, but, still got to clean up a little bit. Dust, sweep, disinfect, mop. Not too terrible in the kids' room. Disinfected this blanket, so I need to put that away. Everyone's still sleeping, so I'll deal with this room last. And gotta tidy up my bathroom.
The kiddos are awake now, so now I'm really gonna start cleaning because now I can make some noise. But I forgot to tell y'all, I decided that I'm definite. Hi. Say hi. Say hey, cuties. Mason, say hey, cuties. Look at that smile. Let me see that cute face. Let me see sweet face. I decided, before I forget, that I'm going back vegan. Effective immediately. My gut needs healing. And I don't know if y'all know this about me, but what's the matter? I look so ashy. I don't know if y'all know this about me. You probably don't, but I was vegan for 4 years. A couple years before I had them, I was vegan for 4 years. I'm going back vegan. I felt like my best self when I didn't have as much processed food or animal products in me. I'm gonna start off slow and maybe take it vegetarian first, but I'm slowly gonna get them into it as well because I really need to improve their gut health as well as my own. Your nose. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. But I got 2 books. I have some books already, but I got 2 more books. One of them I always wanted. I'll show you in a second. Wave. We're inside the tent. And it's hot. And there's no AC. And there's stuffed animals everywhere. Say everywhere.
Everywhere. Now it's in my sister. Everywhere. Now it's in me. With pay.
I don't know why I was invited to this little house.
With pay.
They don't even have snacks for me.
Oh no, Mommy, you two have sacks.
Yeah, you invited me to your house and there's no snacks.
This is good, Israel.
And your brother's getting buried.
And this is getting buried.
I think Mommy's got it. You know what? I think my car is running. I gotta go turn the car off, okay? Okay. Yeah, I gotta go turn my car off, you guys. Knock, knock, knock.
Hello. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Give me something this. Popsicle, ice cream, happy Halloween.
Cut it out.
Listen, today is really Christmas tree. It's time of Christmas present. Mommy washing knife. Mommy doing baby. And then, Mommy, you drop it. Mommy, drop it phone. I mean, that's Zoe. That is Zoe. That is me. That is Zoe.
Zoe said no sharing. Done with the sunroom and done with the kitchen, and I vacuumed my room and I was doing the hallway and the bathrooms, and I got to the guest room. And there's not much to do in here. Pick up a couple of things, fold up the blanket on the bed, and vacuum and mop the floors. But I wanted to show you why I like my vacuum cleaner. Because with the lights on, the floor looks very clean. Wait till I turn the lights off. So, hi Zoe.
Hi.
This is with the lights on, right? Really clean.
Oh, I'm green and blue missing.
Zoe,
What?
go turn the lights off for mommy.
No, I mean green.
Go turn the light off.
No, I mean green and blue.
Can you turn the light off for mommy?
No, I mean green and blue.
Okay, I'll turn it off myself.
No, you can turn it off.
Watch this. Look how silly.
Nancy, 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 Nancy.